Hey, hello, hi all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Grantha. First of all, I want to thanks to each and everyone who supported my channel, who shared the channel with your friends and colleagues. Today, after the 4 month, we reached on the 100 subscription on my YouTube channel, and the total watch time also we crossed the more than 50 hours and the 1500 views. So thank you so much each and everyone for keep loving and keep support my the YouTube channel. So on that occasion, I just thought I will share my some of the experience on my life where I can just make the help to you, and maybe I can give some of the experiences about on my life. So let's start the video. Okay, so dear, today on the occasion of the 100 subscription on my channel, I want to share with the 10 rules of my life, and especially whatever the quote is there, which is my most favorite quote is there, like whenever you are feel like the quitting from the any situation, either from the job, either from your study, either from your career, business, entrepreneur, whatever thought you are feel, if any times on your mind comes like you want to quit, just be remember you need to think about why you started that one. That means that really you started to any of the activity for the quitting? No, you started the activity to finish and reach out to your goal. So just focus on that, whatever you want and whatever you are going to do. Now I am just okay, so now I'm just going to discuss the 10 tips and 10 rules of my life. Before I will move ahead on the all 10 points, 10 tips from my real experience of the life, just please share that video to your friends, to your colleagues. If anyone is preparing for any examination, anyone is preparing for any technical activity, whoever is on the education part, just keep share the videos to everyone. I hope out of the 10 points, any of the one single point, any of the one single sentence definitely will make your life change. Yeah, maybe the some of the things you can relate with your current situations, with your problems, maybe you will get the some solutions. And if someone is also getting the solution, and if suppose you are thought like that the video is really making help for you, just please share your experience and just comment on the comment box what you learned from that video. Okay, so now the most important things about myself, what I just feel, there is only one you, there is only one you, and no one like you. The meaning of that, I'm talking about the exactly you need to find out what are you and who are you. Once you understand about yourself, that means like you taken the first step of your life to finding about yourself and finding about the uniqueness. So the rule number one is there is only one you. You need to understand about yourself. And after that, once you are able to find out yourself, then the another thing is that the most of the times, which I observed on my life experience, most of the times we are not allowing to ourselves to think beyond of the future, beyond of the imagination. We are afraid for the change, we are scared for the change, we are not ready to accept the change. And just trust me the guys, only the change is the only one thing in the life which you never can stop, which is not the old. Every time you will get the new problems, every times you will get the new experiences. So you need to find out, you already have the everything on your inside your soul, but only you need to find out about the yourself. Once you will understand about that, so don't make it to yourself on the compromised life. Just dream fly, just let's dream fly on your life. So the point number two is let's dream fly. After that, everyone is observed on the daily life, the opportunities comes on the way anytime. Like did really we recognize about that, whatever you face on your life, whatever the things you got from the failure to success, did really anytime you recognize about yourself? If not, then put your 100% effort whatever the things you are doing. If suppose today I'm sharing my knowledge, my experiences, so I'm just giving whatever the activity I want to do in the future, I'm putting my 100% effort. So just be ambitious, be move forward on your life. So the point number three is that be ambitious about yourself, about your life. Nothing, another thing is nothing is wrong with you. Like if suppose you have the one single cake and you want to cut on the two slices and you're distributing the people, there is nothing wrong. But according to my experience, no, I want everything. मुझे सब कुछ चाहिए. I want each and everything on my life. For that I am ready to do the hard work. So don't never ever be compromised with the life. Always try to fight with the dreams. So the point number 4 is the be hungry, be greedy for your dreams. Don't be stuck and don't be compromised with the life. And but the success is failure if I did any of the work. If today I'm sharing my knowledge, today I'm sharing my knowledge about the videos with the different technical sessions, I'm doing a lot of other works, I'm helping to the CAT aspirants for the CAT preparation, I'm helping for the medical students, I'm helping for the engineering students for the taking the session of the math and physics, I'm helping of the any of the less people who have the no economic level, we have the want the guidance, I'm ready to help of those peoples. So the things, whatever the success I'm getting, whatever the failures I'm getting, it is a mine. My journey, what the path I decided, it's a mine only. So according to my ways, I will enjoy my life. So the point number 5 is according to me, what the I just learned from the life, don't settle on your dreams. Just always be move forward. Never ever do compromise with your life. Okay, so after that, I just want to ask one simple question to the all guys. Who like the fail? If you like the fail, sorry guys, I don't like the fail. I always hate the fail because everything will change with the failure. Everything will change with the failure. You need to accept it. Without the failure, you can't move out on your life. That you can't stop it also. The fail will definitely come on your life whenever you are doing to do anything. And what I just want to tell you guys, don't ignore the failures. Always try to analyze the failure. What I was just feeling on the normal life, whenever if somebody lost the job, somebody failed on the exam, the people thought, why the situations happen only me? No. According to my suggestion, you need to understand where you exactly lack, for what reason you are getting the failure. Just understand, just analyze your problems for the failure and come back with the 100% effort. So the point number 6 is there, the fail and fail again, the rise like the phoenix. Don't stop your dreams, don't stop to do the practice, don't stop to move ahead on your life. And life without the risk, nothing is there. Sometimes the most of the people will agree with your sentence, sometimes they will not agree with you. If now I am sharing my knowledge by the YouTube sessions, I'm sharing my I'm taking a lot of the sessions, my some of different channels, it's not that a lot of my friends are not agree with me. Some of my relatives, some of my friends, some of my colleagues are telling, why you are wasting the time there? But that's my decision. I'm not wasting the time, I'm just sharing my knowledge. That helping of the people is make to me happy. So this is my decision. Only focus to happy, like what the things make you happy. So the point number 7 is a be hold and take the risk. If you're taking the risk, then you can do the something. And most important things on your life, just be noted down. The guys, the always your life is decided by your surroundings. With which friend, which type of the mentality of the people you are staying. So the point number 8 is surrounding yourself with the right people. If your surrounding is the bad, then if you are the good but you can't do the some good things, so make sure your surrounding is always be your with the right people. So many times, maybe whenever most of the guys are connected with the Facebook, Twitter, I hope everyone are getting the so many of the bad messages also, everyone getting the some bad comments also. If I will share my example, whenever I started the YouTube channel, whenever I started to help of the girls issues, whenever I started to blog for the girl related problems, when I started to help out the medical student on the engineering students, lot of the people commented the bad, why you're doing that one. But I know what exactly I'm doing. No matters what will you do, some whenever you are doing anything, the people will definitely tell you. It doesn't matter you are doing the good or you're doing the bad, but the most important things, always be happy whatever you are doing. If you thought you are the good, that means the fine. Because whenever you are failure, you are success, first person which whom to report is yourself. If you thought whatever the effort you put and you are getting the response like that, that's the make happy you always. So first of all, you should be ready to give the answer yourself. Don't try to listen what the others are telling, just try to listen about yourself, what exactly you want and what you did. So the point number 9 is give back to the society. Whatever you want, just do that one only. And the last and most important things, the whatever I just learned from the my life till now, don't forget from which place you came. Don't forget who helped you on your life. Don't forget with which person you are on that position now, which is the most important. And most of the people are forgetting the success, small success. I will not take the success. I was telling to that, if anybody is getting this small success also, they forget about the previous peoples, they forget about the old peoples, they forget exactly where from which place they came out. So the last point number 10 is that don't forget about your roots, from which place you came. That is the my experience of the life, which I just want to share with you guys today, and I hope that will make help you. Just at the end of the my session, just I want to tell you guys, please keep support the channel like that. And what are the 10 points I discussed now, if anyone feel any of the one single point are helping for your life after watching that video, just put on the comment like the which particular points are you are comparing with yourself, and you are getting the proper response from my end. Thanks to all. Please share the videos to your friends and colleagues and spread throughout whoever is doing the any of the education activity. Definitely, I trust me. I'm damn sure the any of the out of 10.1 point will definitely help you. Thanks to all. We will meet you again on the next video session for the JMeter. Thanks to all. Keep support, love, and just share the video. Thank you so much.